Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is the London Review for April the 10th, 2024. This is GBPJPY, and we have it in this consolidation, stuck right in here in this zone, upper zone, lower zone, support, resistance, and looking at what potentially could be a fake out. Price has failed to have continuance and in fact broke the low instead of the high. And I'm looking at this potentially to coming back inside and coming down to the lower zone. I go down to the 5-minute to see what is happening, and I do notice that there is a level of supply here, or at least a quick move to the downside that left a gap, and I'm looking for a mitigation. Now, here's the mistake that I made in this trade. I should have waited for a break of structure. Now, this is something that I had already discussed with the team during the live. This was live last night. We were looking at GBPUSD and GBPJPY, and I noticed how in a very similar scenario such as this, price did not break structure on GU. And I'm thinking, and I actually said out loud, well, if this doesn't break structure, not taking it. But then I came over to GJ and I took this one when it hadn't broken structure. And in fact, we can see this is the structure that I'm looking for to break in order to begin to look for sales, and this is in fact what it did. Now, had I entered on a pending order, I would have been able to get a 1-to-1 very easily, but I didn't. I waited for the confirmation candle and I went in on the low. So my trade was something like this approximately, with hoping to catch it all the way. I wasn't looking for a 2-to-1 because the 2-to-1 would have taken me beyond the support, and I didn't think it could make there. And this is what happened. Got chewed out right away. So now that I see this happening here, I realize, okay, I made the mistake of not waiting for a break of structure, and that's my bad. I come over to GU and I notice the same thing I had said before, that structure has not been broken. And in fact, what happens immediately after is bullish move up, leaving a gap, price breaking through resistance, and I'm thinking, okay, so this is the target, right? I'm looking at a potential entry right around there, stop loss somewhere down here, and a 2-to-1. And again, I'm giving myself a buffer, let's say, of a couple of pips, because this is GU, don't need too many. I'm thinking it can come all the way up here and perhaps even challenge this supply. And this is consequently what happened. Price began to reject. This was my entry right around there approximately, and had to hold it for a little longer. And this is the story of GU last night. It dipped one more time. Not a problem as long as it respected structure, which it did. As you notice, it's creating higher highs and higher lows, so I'm good with that. And around 5 a.m., boom, it hit TP, and we're all happy that this worked perfectly. Again, going back to what I have discussed before, we need a break of structure. We need a break of structure. The break of structure is what tells us that price intends to go in the opposite direction now, or at least in our favor based on our bias. I did not get a break of structure to the downside. In fact, what I got was a break of structure to the upside, right? This broke this structure, having left a gap, came and filled the gap and paid very nicely. I hope you found this helpful and instructive, and I hope that you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.